Hey, what's up everyone? It is TechWares. Today is January 5th, 2025, and we're getting the first exclusive look at the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 that comes with 32 gigs of GDDR7 memory. Alright, this is from Video Cards. There we go. This is from iChill by Inno3D. So Inno3D is just an AIB. And the iChill is pretty much one of their GPU designs. All right, this is the iChill X3, and this card is pretty much the RTX 5090. All right, iChill X3. It is the flagship. We don't know if there's going to be a 5090 Ti. Probably not, or maybe there will. I don't know, but 5090 is going to be announced at CES 2025 in just a couple of days. I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, that's when CES 2025 is. Yeah, it's Monday, January 6th. So currently only one picture of the card is available, and it's this one. So the number of power connectors cannot be confirmed. All right. Video card goes on to say, however, the packaging reveals that it comes with 32 gigs, all right, of GDDR7 memory. This is the first confirmed detail about the RTX 5090's memory configuration. This confirms that the flagship RTX 50 model will indeed have twice the capacity of the 5080 model. So let's just scroll down here just for some more information. All right. So the 5090 has a total draw power of 575 watts. All right, which is 125 watts more than its predecessor, than the 4090. So Jensen is gonna get on stage and he's gonna announce this SKU tomorrow during the CES 2025 keynote. The card will also be showcased alongside the 5080 and the RTX 5070 Ti. However, the 5090 is not going to be the first one to launch. The 5080 is going to be the first model to launch. And of course, the NVIDIA RTX 50 series or 5000 series is based on the Blackwell architecture. And these are just some specs. So we have the 5090 at the top, 5080, 5070 Ti, and then 5070. Of course, there's going to be a 5060, maybe 5050, maybe not. 5070, pretty sure it's going to be like a 5060 Ti as well. You know how NVIDIA does with their releases from gen to gen. But yeah, a lot of people are pretty much disappointed that the 5080 is only going to have 16 gigs of VRAM. But maybe NVIDIA is leaving some space for like 24 gig or something. So yeah, maybe there's going to be like a 5080 Ti with 24 gigs of VRAM, and then there's going to be a 5070 Ti Super with maybe 18 gigs of memory. We don't know what they're going to do. We don't know what they're planning, but they're of course they're leaving some room for to fit some more newer SKUs in the future. So, and of course the prices is what's going to be really important here. So we have to wait and see what the prices are going to be for these GPUs. Based on rumors and leaks out there, they're going to be expensive. All right, that's just what the leaks and rumors are saying. However, NVIDIA is pretty much known to change the price and leave the price to like last minute. I heard that Jensen literally waits until like the last minute of announcing something to say the price. So we'll have to wait and see. However, 2025, new generation of video cards from AMD, from NVIDIA, and there's even rumors and leaks that Intel might be releasing a new, higher SKU GPU based on Battlemage. So like B770 or B7080, we don't know what's going to happen, but 2025, exciting year. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is the first look at an AIB RTX 5090 GPU. Take care, everyone. Peace.